7 to 4 to make it to 7? Okay, let's start there. Subtract what? If I had 7 and I want to get to 4, well, how many am I going to subtract? 3. All right, subtract 3. Now, the key to using tables, rules, and graphs is that whatever you do to one value, the same thing has to occur in all of the values, right? Right? So, 8 and 5. We said 7 subtract 3 is 4. Well, are we going to try to look at a rule of subtracting 3 maybe?
You can subtract.
Okay. What do I do to 8 to get 5?
Subtract 3, but you can add 3 to get 8.
Okay. What do I do to 9 to get 6?
Subtract 3.
What do I do to 10 if I want to get to 7?
Subtract 3.
Do you all see a pattern? So what is that pattern? Okay, now let's stop. Let's find the rule that goes with that table. Okay, put it with that table. Let's line them up because you're going to need to write your answer key. Okay? Now, we still need to find the equation to match this table and this rule. Which of these equations says if I subtract 3 from... Good job, absolutely. All right, and now, well, how in the world, Miss McCrary, will I know what graph to choose? Well, didn't we talk about graphing coordinate points?
Yes.
If I graph X and Y values, I can see where they are on the coordinate plane. Okay, well, let's look at this. If X is 7, what is Y?
X, 4.
Okay, so let's, among these 3 graphs, let's find the graph that will give me this relationship. First, what's my x-axis? Show me with your finger.
What's that? This one?
Okay, all right. Show me the x-axis. Remember my x-axis?
Is that one?
Right, and what's my y-axis? Okay, so if I put my finger on 7 on the x-axis, do that for me.
Oh, wait.
Okay. Now, y goes up, correct? Mm-hmm. So go up and see where does the line cross at 4?
Like right here?
Does that? Does it? I'm not sure. Let's see.
Yes.
Well, good. You did a good pick the first time around. But guess what? It's always good to try another value just in case. So pick another value from here and see if it works with that graph. You drop one, Disney.
Which one?
Any one of them. It doesn't matter which one you try.
8.
Okay?
Wait, hold up. Oh, okay. 8 and 5.
Good job. So is it safe to say that all these go together?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, let's see if we can put those together right now. Okay. Pause about it. Write it down on the stick tab. Just write it on the stick tab. Anything that you have a question about expressions and evaluating equations, anything that is still unclear, anything that may be a little cloudy, you might have a little question on it, write it down on the sticky tab, please. We're going to take the next 3 minutes for you to brainstorm that. Day 3 and day 5. Day 1, day 3, and day 5. Page GA11. All right, after we warm up, we're going to take our restroom break, and then we're going to move directly into our centers, okay? Which is our activity for the day. So, again, turn in your textbooks to page GA11. Count down to CRCT. Do they